So what is table napkin? Table napkin is a small piece of table linen used for wiping your mouth and for covering your lap to protect clothing from food stains. The folding of the table napkin depicts an art which enhances the decoration of your table setting. It also adds color, design, and it makes your table setting aesthetically pleasing and appealing to the eyes. It is also important not just to add color but also to give highlight to the theme of the event. For example, the theme of the event is a flower theme. So it's most likely the table napkin fold should look like something a flower. First of all, the names of all the table napkin folds reflects what shape it is and how it looks like. Similarly, sail, the pyramid, the bishop's mitres hat, the cardinal's hat, the rosebud, the windmere fan, and all those things that I've showed in the last video reflects their appearance in their names.